Lily walks into a pet shop filled with colourful, squawking parrots.
How much is this parrot?
$5,000. And it critiques your outfit.
Parrots hop around like they're auditioning for a talent show.
And this one? It looks a little dopey, doesn't it?
$100. But all it does is complain about its food.
A quiet parrot stares at Lily like it's plotting world domination.
How much is this one?
This one's a bit special. $50.
Wow. Why is it so expensive? Can it actually talk?
Nope, it doesn't talk. But all the other parrots? They call it the boss. I'm serious, it glares at them, like it's running a tiny feathered mafia.
Oh my gosh. Haha. These parrots are too funny.